The deadly incident took place at the Wat Nern Por primary school in Phichit province, 300 kilometers away from Bangkok, Thailand. It occurred after heavy rains brought strong winds that caused the roof at the school activity center to collapse. Unfortunately, the roof came down after some students had gone inside to seek shelter from the rain on Monday.
Charin Arsiri, staff member of the Phichit Office of Public Relations, told the Associated Press that 4 children aged 7 to 13 years old died alongside a parent and a member of the school's cleaning staff. Meanwhile, 18 individuals were hospitalized.